Hey everyone, welcome to our second packet that we'll be working in for our 10-day learning. This packet will be used this week and not the week after this because that's spring break and you wouldn't be doing work anyways, and then it'll be used the week after that. Okay, so even though it says March 30th through April 3rd, that's going to only be 1 week, and then the next one will be April 13th through the 17th. So I'm going to go over what we're doing. Get your reading or get your learning packets out so we can look at this together. We're going to look at day 1. It's asking you to read a packet, or it's asking you to read an article called A Dangerous Dust Storm. If you go past all of your lessons, it's going to be the very first one. And then the question 1 that goes with it will not be on the very next page. It will be on the page after that. Because there's another story and they're going to have you compare them. For your writing, you're going to do some word work. So this is something you guys haven't done before, but I'm really excited. It says you're going to make a new word. Use the base words to make at least 5 words that use a prefix and or a suffix from the list below. And then write your words on a sheet of paper. So on your thing, it shows you all these different words that you could put together. So I'm looking at this and I decided I'm going to do and I'm going to do reorder. So reorder would be to order something again. So I'm just going to write that down, reorder, and I have to come up with 5 words. So if I chose reorder as one of my words, the next part that you're going to do is you're going to pick 3 of those 5 words and you're going to put them into a sentence, and you need to make sure you're giving clues. So you're not going to just say, I reordered, because then we don't really know what you mean. So if I said reorder, I might say, I reordered my shoes from left to right. So then I would write that out. And since I already did this, I'm going to switch reordered and put an ed at the end because it already happened. So that's another suffix. I reordered my shoes from biggest to smallest. Hopefully most of your shoes are all the same size, but so then you have a sentence. You only have to do a sentence for 3 of them. Okay? The example they give you is disagreeable. And then the sentence they give you is, since the children were being so disagreeable about picking a game for the class to play, the teacher was not able to let the game time continue. So make sure you're doing that. If you have any questions, let me know. For your math, you are going to continue to play the math games. There's new math games. You can pick a math game to play with a partner. It can either be with from the old packet or the new packet. That's going to be after all of your reading, and they have different things in here for you to look at. Let me know if you have any questions about those games. You're still going to be playing Dreambox. Try to play like 15 minutes a day. And then they have a problem you're going to solve. And the problem says, there were 3 baseball teams. Each team had 9 players. How many baseball players were there together? So you have 3 baseball teams. Each team has 9 players. That should be your clue there. And then for your content, you're going to be looking in the very, very back of your packet and reading the article, What is Force? It's the very last page of your article, of your packet, and then you're going to answer these 5 questions. And then if you want, you can look up all these optional videos on YouTube and different places to see how it explains how gravity works, and it shows cool experiments. All right, well, that's it for day 1. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope this was helpful. See ya.